I've been ungrateful for much my life. I wasn't faithful for all this time. I feel ashamed, Lord, for the things I've done since I've been falling all this time. 'Cause I haven't had peace in so long, and I couldn't seem to go on, but now I can feel it through you, and I will never.
Okay, so we're in the Anantara Hotel here in downtown Dubai. Let's walk in and see how it is. Okay, so this is the room. Very big. So I think they said they upgraded us. Not all the rooms are like this, but quite nice. I've got a laundry bag right next to the bed, which I don't know why it's here, but minor, not a big issue. We have a nice seating area over there. Let's see what view we've got. Nothing on this side over here of note. Seating area, desk area, mini bars over here. Espresso machine. Yep, plenty of pods, but they're not original Nespresso pods. Again, a lot of hotels are doing this, but they won't give you the originals. Bit of a shame. You got tea bags. Over here, they've got this company's tea bag, whatever company that is. Wow, very big. Very, very big. So they have a walk-in closet over here. Double sink, which is always useful. Quite an impressive bathtub. Looks good, looks very good. And you've got your walk-in shower and a obviously toilet, all glass. So if you're sharing with like friends, not the most convenient. And they've got the Anantara dental kits, loafers, which is always helpful over here. So this is the Anantara Downtown in Dubai. Not bad.
Told me all the truth